Polar bears have black skin under their fur. They have clear fur covering a layer of black skin, which helps them absorb the sun's rays better, and the rays get trapped in the fur and cause luminescence, which makes it look white. A cheetah is faster than a Ferrari. A cheetah can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 95 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than a Ferrari Enzo. Moths do not have stomachs. Moths have a midgut where the digestion occurs in a sac-like structure called the crop, where they store food. They live only for a week to mate and die after laying eggs. A honeybee has 2 stomachs. When a honeybee sucks up nectar from a flower through its proboscis, some of it goes into the main stomach to be used as food for energy. The remaining goes into a special stomach to be processed into honey. Elephants use their ears to regulate body temperature. Due to their immense size, elephants produce a lot of body heat. Thankfully, much of it radiates out through veins in their large floppy ears. An elephant can lose as much as 48 degrees Fahrenheit or 9 degrees Celsius through its massive ears. The venom from a poisoned dart frog can kill 10 men. Don't go by their cute appearances. Poisoned dart frogs are some of the deadliest animals on Earth. A single poisoned dart frog possesses enough venom to kill 10 adult men. Sometimes animals die simply by touching a spot where a dart frog had just been. Hummingbirds cannot walk. The smallest bird in the world, the hummingbird, is immensely fast and swift and can fly backward, upside down, and even sideways. However, their legs are too weak and tiny to support walking. The most they can manage is to shuffle sideways. Male penguins propose to females by giving them a pebble. Male gentoo penguins look for the smoothest, shiniest pebble to present to females of their choice. If the female accepts, she takes the pebble and places it in her nest, accepting the male as her mate. Music makes cows more productive. Cows have been found to produce more milk while listening to slow music. The calming effect of music is known to stimulate milk production, according to research. A male ostrich can roar like a lion. Ostriches live in large groups, and the males produce a deep grunt, commonly mistaken as a roar, as a warning call to defend their territory. This behavioral sound comes naturally to them. All right, we've got a lot more unusual facts about animals. Keep watching to the end of the video. We've got one that is going to amaze you. The Pacific giant octopus has 3 hearts. 2 of the 3 hearts of the Pacific giant octopus pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd circulates blood to the rest of the body. The sweat glands of a dog are located in its paws. This is why dogs leave wet footprints behind when their body temperature rises. However, this is just a minor method of releasing body heat, as dogs rely more on excessive panting to cool down. Spider silk, though thinner than human hair, is shockingly stronger than steel and as strong as nylon of the same width. It can also stretch up to 30% of its original length without breaking. A 2-inch thick rope made of spider thread can even stop a Boeing 747, research claims. Dragonflies cannot walk. Like most insects, dragonflies have 6 legs, but still can't walk. These winged creatures use their legs for grabbing and perching, but they don't support walking. Reindeer eyes are golden in the summer and turn blue in the winter. This is their way of coping with 3 months of constant summer sunlight, followed by another 3 months of winter darkness. During summers, reindeer eyes reflect most of the light through the retina and thus appear golden in color. In winters, enhanced night vision kicks in and a layer of tissue appears behind the retina, making it look blue. An electric eel can discharge a current of 600 volts. The electric eel can deliver enough electricity to knock down a fully grown horse. One of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom, an electric eel's body has specialized cells that can emit 600 volts of current. A cockroach can survive decapitation. Cockroaches can survive decapitation because they breathe through openings called spiracles on their body, which are not controlled by their brain. A headless cockroach will die after about a week out of thirst and hunger. Turtles give birth to more females in warm weather. A turtle's gender is not determined by chromosomes, but the ambient temperature of the eggs. This has become a matter of concern in light of global warming, with the threat of an all-female population and extinction. A giraffe's neck has as many bones as a human neck. A giraffe's neck has 7 vertebrae, just like humans. The difference, however, is the size of the bones. Each vertebrae in a giraffe can measure up to 11 inches.